What's going on, guys? We got something new going on here. 2 weeks ago, we acquired 2 homes in Driftwood Mobile Home Park, which is a 55 plus community in Westminster, Southern California. Today, we started construction of this 2-bedroom, 1-bath manufactured home, and I want to take you through it. It's going to take just about a week to fix this home up, about 6 or 7 business days. When we're done with this home, we're going to be listing it at $79,900. If you buy it within the next month, we'll give you a discount. You're watching the Manufactured Housing Expert channel. We premiere new and pre-owned manufactured and mobile homes on a weekly basis. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring that bell to be notified when we premiere new videos. Also, hit that like button. We appreciate all the love you could give by doing that. It helps out our channel. We are here for you. So let's get started. What I want to tell you what we're going to be doing on this home. We're refurbishing this deck right here and those steps. So it's going to have all the handrails, carpeted steps. We're going to put the backing there. So we're going to bring those steps in this porch up to code. Let's go inside. I almost forgot. Leave your comments. We love hearing your comments as long as they are respectful. We tour people's homes, so make sure you are very respectful. But this is a beautiful home. Here's our man Armando. We are going to be replacing the flooring with all new waterproof laminate flooring. We're going to paint everything. Let me get my gimbal working here. We're going to paint this white, and now we're going to go in the kitchen over here, replacing all the cabinets and painting the boxes. We're going to replace this black sink, and we're going to put a stainless steel sink in there. This is a little tricky, guys. I apologize. So now we're going to go over here. This is the California room. We're fixing all the, any pieces of wood or siding that needs to be replaced. So this is a great area. If you have grandkids, because we're in a 55 plus community, this could be their little play area. Let's go into the laundry room. This is a very big laundry room. I love the flooring. This is actually tile that looks like wood a little bit. You have plenty of room for a side-by-side washer and dryer. Something also, if you watch my channel, you know the storage is very limited a lot of times in this housing. So look at all of those, the overhead cabinets. That's great. You have your side-by-side washer and dryer. And as you go over into this guest bathroom, you are going to notice that the tile is carried all through the shower. What I love about this shower is, take a look at it, double heads. It's always a great feature. This is the guest bedroom. It's a good size. And now, let's go take a look at, this is the master bedroom. We're going to replace this flooring so it will match the flooring over here. This is a very large master bedroom. I love that they have the mirror wardrobe doors. How's it going? And then over here to the bathroom, this is a good bathroom. Here we go. Again, they're getting ready to replace all those doors over there. You have the drawers over there on the ends. A large garden tub, more overhead cabinets. I'm sorry, more overhead cabinets. Here's a linen closet. These are not overhead cabinets. And then here is the shower. So this is a large master bathroom. We're going to make it all really nice. Now we're going to be taking you to the outside to show you the yard. We're going to do some cool things with it. But if you haven't already done so, please hit that like button. We hope you enjoyed this tour. If you have any questions, 866-720-2207. See you next time.